guys, my birthday was March 8. I forgot to tell you. But I have some gifts from my birthday. Someone gave me a gift in March 9. They can't come to March 8. I mean March 9. Is this capybara? It's my obsession. And in March 8, I have this. Sa March 7 pa binigay sa akin yung maliit capybara. Okay, I have this gigantic capybara. Fuck! Just give me a kiss. Just keep the kiss. Now, the third one is in March 9 because there's no pasok in March 8. No. This two. This one is last Christmas party. I will show you what I speak English but I'm Filipino. Kamusta po? Capybara. Me have capybara. Even my bag is capybara. Capybara. Even I have capybara. Capybara. I forget to show you. I have some cups too. What? Well, alright. Two. Three. This is not cup, but this head with capybara. Beauty, you can count my capybaras. It's only. Yeah, I forgot to show this. Grrr. I also have a wallet that I can put anything that I always find.